Have you ever been relaxing at home when your refrigerator suddenly starts making a loud humming or buzzing noise? At first, you probably ignore it, but after a while, you start wondering if something expensive is about to break. The good news is that a noisy refrigerator doesn't always mean a major repair is coming. In many cases, the problem is something simple that you can fix yourself. Let's look at the most common reasons your fridge is making so much noise. First, don't worry if your refrigerator makes a soft humming sound. That's completely normal. The compressor and fans turn on and off throughout the day to keep your food cold. You may also hear a few clicks or popping sounds from time to time. The real concern is when the humming suddenly becomes much louder or turns into a rattling, buzzing, or grinding noise. One of the most common causes is an uneven floor. If your refrigerator isn't sitting flat, the normal vibrations from the motor can make the whole appliance shake and create a loud rattling sound. Give the fridge a gentle push. If it rocks or wobbles, that's probably the problem. Most refrigerators have adjustable feet underneath, so you can raise or lower them until the fridge sits firmly on the floor. Next, pull the refrigerator slightly away from the wall if you can. Sometimes the noise isn't coming from the fridge itself. A power cord, water line, or even the back panel can vibrate while the motor is running. Make sure nothing is touching the back of the refrigerator and check that everything is secure. While you're there, see if your refrigerator has exposed condenser coils underneath or behind it. Not every model does, but if yours does, they should be cleaned every few months. Dust, pet hair, and lint build up over time, making it harder for the refrigerator to get rid of heat. That forces the compressor to work longer and often makes it much louder. A vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment is usually all you need to clean the coils. Another part that can make noise is the condenser fan near the bottom of the refrigerator. If dust collects around the fan or something gets stuck in the blades, it can start buzzing or rattling. Always unplug the refrigerator first, then check for dirt or anything blocking the fan. If the noise seems to be coming from inside the freezer, the evaporator fan may be the cause. This fan circulates cold air throughout the refrigerator. Sometimes ice builds up around the fan, causing the blades to scrape as they spin. Other times, the motor simply wears out with age. If the sound changes or disappears when you open the freezer door, the evaporator fan is a likely culprit. Here's another easy thing to check. Most refrigerators have a small drain pan underneath that collects water during the defrost cycle. If it comes loose, it can vibrate every time the compressor runs. Simply putting it back in place might solve the problem. Believe it or not, items sitting on top of your refrigerator can also make a surprising amount of noise. Glass bottles, trays, or storage containers may vibrate as the fridge runs. Remove them for a moment and see if the sound disappears. Don't forget to check the rubber seal around the door. If it's dirty, cracked, or not sealing properly, cold air escapes and the refrigerator has to work harder to stay cool. That means the compressor runs longer and sounds louder. Wipe the seal clean with a damp cloth and replace it if you notice large cracks or gaps. Finally, pay attention to when the noise happens. If your refrigerator gets louder after you've loaded it with groceries or during a hot summer day, that's usually normal because it's working harder to cool everything down. But if you hear loud grinding, knocking, or metal scraping sounds that don't go away, it's best to have the refrigerator checked before the problem gets worse. Most noisy refrigerators don't need expensive repairs. A simple adjustment, a quick cleaning, or removing something that's vibrating is often all it takes. Spend a few minutes checking these common problem areas, and you may be able to get your refrigerator running quietly again without spending a dime.